Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the videos that I made last week, just to make sure you didn't miss out on any, along with some of the new things with MobileSentrix website and what's to come. So let's get started. Last week we explored the possible solutions for an iPhone that had no service, and the issue ended up revolving around the baseband CPU. So if microsoldering is something that you've been wanting to get into, it's definitely a video I'd recommend checking out. I followed up that video covering how to repair damaged pads, sometimes on hard drops, or if the board is separated incorrectly, you can get pulled pads on the sandwich layer. So I go through the process, or at least my process, of repairing those pads step by step so that if you ever run into it, you'll be able to do it. We also released Casper Snap, which is a phenomenal new line of tempered glass, allowing for a much easier installation of the actual tempered glass on the phone. Covered some of the things about it, and I will be doing a short but in-depth video this week on that tempered glass again, just to make sure all the questions are covered. And finally, we covered an iPhone 12 that was only working with a particular aftermarket screen as far as the touch was concerned. When we went back to the original screen, the touch wasn't working, so we explored the cause of the issue and the solution. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. With regards to the Samsung Z Flip screens, we now have the aftermarket versions available, substantially reducing the cost of those parts. So definitely check those out, as it's now a much more affordable repair, and you'll be able to offer that one to your clients. And we now have certified pre-owned MacBooks on our website, starting around $150. These are great computers, so whether or not you're just buying it for yourself or to sell in your stores, it's definitely something to take a look at. And I want to know what you guys would like to see in upcoming videos. Is there a specific topic that you'd like to see more coverage of? Comment it down below. I'll be happy to read and answer those comments. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.